Hi, it's Diana Willett again. Welcome to my video. Let's cook. Today we're making delicious shrimp scampi. Now, the first thing we're going to do, heat up a pan here with a little bit of olive oil. And we're going to put the shrimp in here so it gets nice and pink. Make sure when you buy the shrimp, you take you devein them. Take the skin off it, the shell. And what I did here is I soaked them here in salt and pepper and a little olive oil. So let them get pink first. And throw the rest of the oil in there too. I already boiled the spaghetti and it's draining in there. You can put anything in there, linguine, regular spaghetti. I have spaghetti, thin spaghetti. All right, let this cook. It's getting nice and pink. Put some pepper, a little bit of salt. Too much in there. Little pepper flakes, not much. A little more pepper here. Six tablespoons of butter, melted. Could come out delicious. Another delicious dish. A little high there, melt everything. Garlic. Tablespoon of garlic, chopped up. Lemon zest. It's a good flavor. Tablespoon of parsley and a half a cup of lemon juice. Just one lemon, just squeeze the whole lemon. That's all you need is one lemon, squeeze it good. That's cooked now. Sure the shrimp is pink. Cook it well. I got this nice big pan. I can put the spaghetti in here and mix everything together when we're ready. Looks like I could use a little bit more pepper in here. Teaspoon of pepper, teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of the pepper flakes. We don't want it too hot. Half a cup of white wine. Get hot. Cover the pan for a few minutes and let it get hot. And we should be ready in a few minutes. I got here Parmesan cheese, half a cup. I'm going to put that into a few minutes. Now I made the spaghetti al dente, so when we put it in the pan, it'll be cooking a little bit more. So let's put it in there. Start cooking it. half a pound of spaghetti. It's a little messy here. That's about it. Oops. Okay. It'll all cook. That nice sauce. Come out delicious. Shrimp, white wine, lemon juice, parsley, garlic. It's delicious. And I'm going to put a little bit of the cheese in now. The rest you can sprinkle on your plate as much as you want. Some people don't like cheese with their shrimp, but it makes it tasty. A little bit more salt. Now the spaghetti's in here. A little bit more pepper. Make sure all the spaghetti is coated with the sauce. The shrimp looks delicious. I got large shrimp to vein them. Very, very good. Took the shell off and cut the back of it. Took the vein out. It's a black vein you got to pull out. You don't want to eat that. So first you got to prepare it before you cook the shrimp. Doesn't this look delicious? It's absolutely delicious. Okay, I'm going to cover it. I'm going to get a nice plate, and we're going to plate it. Turn it off. Oops. Okay. Juice in there. Nice lemon juice, butter, wine. A little bit more cheese on the top. And we're all set. Shrimp scampi. I hope you love this dish because I know that I do. And I'll be back again with another delicious recipe. Bye-bye.